Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can learn basic Excel. First of all, you can open a new file of Excel, click on blank workbook, and then you come toward the worksheet. Where my cursor, it's called cells. They are organized as columns and rows. Vertically is called columns and horizontally cells are called rows. Now I can enter a data. After that I can arrange it with a good look. Firstly, I enter data. On first block I write months, and under it I write all the months, and then product 1, fill series, it's mean. Now I can copy it to product 1 to product 2 and then 3 and 4. Now select first 4 cells and their font size to be 14, and under all these cells font size to be 12. Arranged all cells, click on corner and arrange it. Now click on middle partition. Now I want to give color. On first row I give it blue color, and then I change writing color into white, and then I want to give border of all these cells. Then I go on there. If you follow these steps you can also learn it. Now I want to copy, then I click Ctrl C, and where I want to paste it I create new sheet, click on plus, and then I paste it. Paste for paste purpose you can click Ctrl plus V. If I want to remove it, then I click Ctrl X and I paste on there. I just give you an examples, a demo. Now it's not on there. Okay. Now I want to save this file. I click on file, save as, and where I want you like to save it. Now our data is saved. Thank you for watching.